Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a spiral text effect on Adobe Photoshop. Select your ellipse tool, make sure there's no fill or no stroke, and you're going to create that circle. Get your text and you're just going to add that in. I don't know why it's not going full circle. Hold on. Okay, let me redo that. I'm obviously going to change the text here, and there we go. Oh, adjust it here so it fits hopefully the full circle, except for these for some reasons. You're just going to adjust it as you go, but I just don't have the time. Anyways, right click and then convert to smart object. And then you're just going to press Ctrl J to duplicate. And I'm just going to make it smaller here. And then you can also like rotate it so it's like in a different position. And you're just going to do that for all of your circles here. Until there's like nothing else to duplicate. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can at the end convert it to like a smart object by pressing all of it like this, and then you can add some like blur filters to it if you want to. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.